This video will be the second event that I went to. Really didn't change much, I don't think. Yeah, I didn't change anything on it. I had to think for a second. Pretty much just ran the car again. I did, the only thing I changed was the tire pressure. I went 39 in the front and like 32 in the back, and that seemed pretty good. Other than that, the whole car is the same setup besides the air pressure and the tires. I did run it as hard as I could this time. Last time I was kind of easing on it and stuff. I didn't really trust it. But this time I said, I don't care, I'm going to break it. And almost did. One of the lifters dried out and started ticking real bad. It fixed itself after lunch, and I ran it again. So here's the videos that I got of the car. Camera kind of overheated a couple of times and stopped recording. Oh well, it's probably too much video anyway. Enjoy!
Down in the green 1962 Ford Falcon is Brandon Burke. Brandon just turned a 62.879. That's 62.879 in the 62 Falcon. Ford Falcon is Brandon turned a 60. And the white Corvette is Brian Lawson. Brian turned a 53.844 to 53.844 to drive for Brian. Malcolm, unfortunately, the blue Mustang and the Russell. Then he turned a 60.616 to 50.616 and runs in.
You can see at the end I vapor locked the carburetor. Sat at the starting line for too long. What can you do? The timer got messed up and I had to sit at the light, or sit at the starting line. Oh well. I scratched my second to last run. I missed it, and then I got it running again, but completely scratched the last run because I went around a cone. Anyway, those are the videos I got of the second run. I'm going on my third one here soon, but I got quite a few changes that I've done. So hope you guys like this one. See you guys next time.